Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making two easy and amazing nail art designs. So let's get started. Begin by painting your nail white. Then take pink color and make a wave line between the nail. This line works for you as a guideline. Then cover the half of the nail with the pink color. Then take a light pink color and draw a thin wave line as you draw early. The next step is completely optional. If you want to skip it, you can. I like to stick some butterfly on my nails. You can apply whatever shape, sticker or glitter you like. Once you're happy with the nail, apply a quick dry top coat to secure your nail art. For the next design, I am painting my nail with a dark green color. Now take a nail vinyl and apply on a nail properly. Next, I am going to take a golden color and apply a thick layer on a nail without leaving any spot. Peel the nail vinyl quickly before the golden color dry and apply a quick dry top coat. If you like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the nail tutorial.